Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Our favorite holding period is forever. You only have to do a very few things right in your life so long as you don't do too many things wrong. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. In the business world, the rearview mirror is always clearer than the windshield. The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. If you're in the luckiest 1% of humanity, you owe it to the rest of humanity to think about the other 99%. Here are a few key insights from Buffett that may motivate you. Focus on your passion. Buffett believes that it's important to pursue your passions and do what you love. He has said, take a job that you love. You will jump out of bed in the morning. I think you are out of your mind if you keep taking jobs that you don't like because you think it will look good on your resume. Take calculated risks. Buffett is known for his patient, long-term approach to investing, but he also believes in taking calculated risks. He has said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Embrace failure. Buffett believes that failure is an important part of the learning process. He has said, I've had all kinds of failures, so I'm quite familiar with it. I just don't dwell on them. Be honest and transparent. Buffett has built a reputation for his honesty and integrity in the business world. He believes that being transparent and upfront with others is the best way to build trust and create lasting relationships.
Keep things simple. Buffett is famous for his simple, straightforward approach to investing. He believes that many people overcomplicate things when it comes to investing and that simplicity is often the key to success.